Good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? I want to say thank you to everybody being here. Special thanks to everybody that was at the uh, Rounded Bottom clinic Saturday. I will get those emailed, the copy of the recording sent out to you. It'll be today or tomorrow. If I can make it happen today, I will. And also, I was asked for a copy of the PowerPoint presentation. I will get that out. And also, somebody asked about the chat that was in the room. And if you copied it, great. If not, I copied it, and I will send that out as well to everybody that was at the clinic Saturday. So, again, thank you very much. Thank you, Doug. Appreciate it very much. Just as a reminder for those that are here right now that was in the clinic, Saturday, 10 a.m. We'll be using the same password. We'll meet right here, and we'll take a look at any trades that you may have done, and we'll just do some sharing of trades and look at what maybe we could have done better, why maybe something didn't work or why did it work. Just basically go over so we understand that trade right there. Okay, today's stock picks. I better get going here. We're running out of time. QSII. QSII, rounded bottom breakout. Popped up over the moving averages. Notice how we have the moving average squeeze right here. Belly. What we need to see is strength. Strength over today's can, over yesterday's 50, excuse me. And I'd certainly like it over the 34. You can see 34 is hanging over there too. So this is getting ready, I think, to make our run up, looking for that 200-day moving average as a target. Something around, well, even getting up to that 22.5 area, then from there up to the 34. SFI. SFI is a nice little J hook here in a trending chart. You can see the trend there. This beautifully trending up. T-line 20, 34, 50, 200-day moving average. Just really, really, really nice right there. And we've had a little pullback, and now we're up over the T-line. Let's see here, our line chart. You can see our line chart has flipped back over to the bullish side. You can see the run that it's made, pulled back, and now back up there. ANAD. I almost made this one the stock pick today. I had a tough time between this one and SGMS. I ended up going with SGMS, but this one looks pretty good as well. I like the bottom that it's put in after this gap down. It's come up, closed over the big three yesterday, Thursday, Friday, showed some strength up in here. I think it's headed up into the 200-day moving average. Probably we'll see some consolidation before it gets up there. CPE. CPE is a trending chart. You can see CPE came up through the 200-day moving average, consolidated. Nice little basing right in here. I think it's a little support right in here. And the 34 EMA, little hammered doji inside day candle, and then came back up over the T-line. So we need to see that continued strength here. Charts like this, take a look at this right here. There's our rounded bottom breakout right here. So nice chart. SM. We had a you can see where we came down here. We tried to break out. In fact, we did break out, rounded bottom breakout, but it just wasn't enough to keep going. This is where we have our failure. If it fails, it's back down. And then notice how the moving average. Does this chart look familiar to anybody? Saturday, this was one of them I used Saturday. And moving averages, see how the moving averages stayed right where they were? Now we've rallied up. Nice little pullback back into a very good buy area. Thursday, good reversal. Friday, good confirmation. We're back over the T-line. Let's see if this thing can't carry up a little higher. FST has been a popular one. We've traded that one. I thought that was good to put back on the list today, since it has pulled back, doji gap up, a couple of good bullish candles holding up, back above the T line right here. I mean, if you just take a look at the trend, you can see how that trend, it just continues to move up, and you want to play those pullbacks, looking for those snaps or those swings back up to the recent highs, and look for the little higher moves. And that gives us that little bit of a J hook look to it right in here. So 200-day moving average still the target right there. SGMS, our featured stock pick for the day. Let's see here. There we go. Still did it wrong. There we are. Feature stock pick for the day. We want to buy for the breakout buyers. We'll look for an entry over $8.27. That's the green line. That is just simply Friday's close. PBO buyers, we want to buy down to the T line, anything in here, and then if it closes below the T line, you want to step out of that. An example of if it closes below the T line here is ADM Friday. ADM Friday. Close below the T line, so you need to step out of this because there's too much of risk coming back down into the 50. Now, if it comes back down into the 50, will this chart be destroyed? I don't think so. I still like the chart. You just may not want to hold it as it comes back into this area, because that's kind of what it's looking like. The thing we don't know is, will it hold here? That's the little piece of information we don't know. I still like the chart. Even if it comes down here, I still like the chart. We'll see how it acts this way. Unfortunately, Friday, I got busy and totally lost track of everything, and I did not close mine out. So I'll be watching it close today to see what happens. But the rules are, close below the T line, then that was where the stop was. Should have taken us out. Real quick, as far as the SPY goes, let's see here. What are we doing today? Looks like we're opening up 144.58. Where it looks like we're just underneath the T line, and that's the whole key for me here. Is what is the short-term trend doing? It's still moving down. It's pretty obvious the intermediate or the longer-term trend is moving up. That's extremely obvious. It's a great-looking chart. We just need to find the time, the timing to buy it, and we want to buy on a bullish candle with confirmation, a bullish move, and if we could get it to close up over the T line, that would be a bullish move there. So that's what we need to see. Anything under the T line today still puts the short-term bears in control. Last Wednesday, I think it was, maybe it was last Tuesday, I can't remember, one of those days, I had said that expect a couple days of sloppy trading. We've gotten that. Now we're here Monday. Let's see if Monday continues to be sloppy trading. I think there's also a really serious risk of coming back down and testing the 50 if the bulls don't get it in gear and get going. So getting tighter right in here. Getting tighter. We'll see. Alrighty, I'm going to head out here for the next couple of minutes. I'll be back in a few minutes. We'll get this market open, see if we can make some money. Again, thank you everybody for being here. Back in about 3 minutes.